This video is an overview of the installation process for the Viking range built-in dishwasher models VDWU324, 524, and 724. Your safety and the safety of others is very important. Please take a moment to read through the various warnings and dangers associated with this installation process. Throughout the installation process, please refer to the installation guide which is provided with the product. Please note, if any of the cabinet dimensions are incorrect, or if the power supply, drain, or water connection are incorrect per the information provided, please notify the proper individuals before proceeding with the installation. Verify that the cutout dimensions of the cabinet are correct. The minimum depth of the cabinet is 24 inches. The minimum width of the cabinet is 23 5/8 to a maximum of 24 inches. An access hole to the adjacent sink is required. The opening should be a minimum of 2.5 inches. In the adjacent cabinet, the following supply connections are required: a 3-prong 120 volt 15 amp circuit, a 3/8 water shutoff valve, a 3/4 inch drain standpipe. If a garbage disposal is used, remember to remove the drain knockout plug before use. Required hardware that is not supplied with the dishwasher: a 3/4 inch FHT by 3/8 inch MHT 90-degree connector, a 3/8 inch OD braided dishwasher supply line. The following is a list of required tools to install the dishwasher: Phillips screwdriver, T20 Torx driver, adjustable wrench, wire cutters, tape measure, a drill, corded or cordless, hole saw, pipe wrench, scissors, level, hammer, wire strippers. Unpacking the dishwasher. Remove the box cover, then cut and remove the plastic wrap and dispose. Here, the plastic covering has been removed, exposing the corner supports and bracing. Please place all packaging materials in the appropriate bins and properly dispose of your recyclable waste. Remove rear corner support and brace and discard. Remove the toe kick and side trims and place to the side. Remove front corner support and brace and discard. Tilt unit towards the back and remove the lower front insulation material. Remove and discard front styrofoam support. Open the door to access the user and install manuals. Remove the included parts hardware kit. Remove the foam insulation tape. Countertop steam protection. Fitting the protection foil. In the parts hardware kit, there is a roll of foil insulation tape that is 27.5 inches wide. The standard width of a dishwasher cabinet is 24 inches. This gives us an additional 1 3/4 inches on either side. Standard countertop overhang is 1.5 inches. Measure down from the edge and draw a line on the template as shown here. Cut along the dotted line to prepare the strip for installation. Before applying the steam protection foil, clean the underside of the countertop. Separate the foil strip on one end and begin installing the strip. On each side, apply the 1 3/4 inch side piece to the cabinet as shown here, as well as a 1 3/4 inch countertop extension. In some models, a package of sound insulation tape is provided. Install the foam tape around the entire base of the dishwasher as shown here. Cut off the excess tape to complete. Install the 90-degree elbow to the water valve connection. Using a wrench, tighten the connection. Attach one end of the 3/8 braided fill hose to the elbow. Tighten the hose connection. Remove the drain hose from the rear support clip. Remove the wire ties that hold the drain hose to the back of the unit. Inspect the electric supply cord. Route the drain hose, water line, and power plug through the cabinet to the supply connections. Slide the unit into the cabinet. Connect the drain hose to the drain line. In this example, a garbage disposal drain connection is used. Connect the 3/8 fill hose to the hot water shutoff connection and tighten. Connect the power supply cord. Leveling of the dishwasher. Check the height of the unit inside the cabinet. Adjust the level of the machine if it is not correct. Adjust the front leveling legs first to bring the machine up. Adjust both the left and the right leveling leg. Place a level on the machine to check the front to rear adjustment. Below we can see the rear of the unit needs adjusting. Using a Phillips screwdriver, locate the left rear leveling adjustment screw and turn counterclockwise to lower the leg. Locate the right rear leveling adjustment screw and turn clockwise to lower the leg. Caution! If you elect to use a cordless drill to adjust the rear leveling legs, use caution. Damage to the rear legs and the connecting rods could result by running the drill too fast. Continue checking the level of the unit, both front to back and left to right, until the unit is 100% level. Install the side trim strips to both sides of the unit as shown below. Press firmly when installing to achieve a proper fit. Mounting the dishwasher to the cabinetry. Wooden countertop installation. There are 2 mounting brackets supplied in the kit. Depending on the application, one is for the left and the other for the right. When securing to a wooden countertop, the brackets would be installed in this configuration. Install the edge of the bracket into the slot as shown here. Repeat on the opposite side. When the unit is slid into place, secure with the screw provided into the underside of the countertop. Solid surface installation. When installing a unit under a solid surface, you need to secure the unit to the side cabinets. The brackets need to be installed in this configuration. Make a 90-degree bend on the side of the bracket as shown here and install the edge of the bracket into the slot. When the unit is in the cabinet, pull back the edge of the side trim and secure the unit to the side of the cabinet with the screw provided in the kit. Securing the dishwasher through the side anchor points. In the parts kit, there are plastic spacers that are to be installed through the front left and right side of the unit, both top and bottom. On some earlier production side trims, it may be necessary to cut the trim to provide an opening for the side spacers. Mark the area shown and using a utility knife, cut the trim to access the opening. The opening is now ready to accept the spacer. Install the side mounting screws through the side mounting holes as shown here. Caution: do not over-tighten the screws. Doing so could cause the cavity to bow out, possibly causing leaks. Toe kick insulation install. Remove the perforated cutouts from the lower toe kick insulation material on both sides. Remove backing from adhesive strip on the gray felt piece. Take the felt insulation strip and attach it to the lower cover plate. Position so that the toe kick support bracket slots are exposed. On each side there is a lock for the toe kick support. Below it is shown in the unlocked position. Install the toe kick support bracket in the slot provided. These can be adjusted based on the position of the unit in the cabinet. Below, the lock is shown in the locked position. Take the toe kick rubber insulation barrier with the perforated cutouts removed and place over the toe kick area. Remove the protective strip from the upper internal sound material. Position the top edge of the rubber sound material and align with the lower adhesive edge of the upper sound material. Press firmly across the two strips to make sure it is secure. Take the toe kick and place both locking screws in the unlocked position. Install the toe kick and using a flat blade screwdriver, turn both screws to the locked position. Testing the dishwasher. Open the door to access the control panel. Press the on/off button to turn the unit on. Press the rinse and hold button. Press the start/pause button. Close the door and the machine will start. The unit will run for 15 minutes. Check the water and drain connections for possible leaks. Check around the perimeter of the door to make sure that the door is sealing properly and there are no leaks.